Welcome to SixStick. This is our 44 key wireless remote. It comes in a single output or a dual output, which is shown. You have a choice of 20 different colors, 6 different running patterns, adjustable pattern speed, adjustable brightness, and it has 6 memory keys, all at the touch of a button from your remote. This is jump 3. Goes through 3 different colors. I'm slowing it down, and I can speed it up at a touch of a button. This is jump 7. Goes through 7 different colors. Fade 3. Fades in and out of 3 different colors. Fade 7. Once again, we can speed it up. We can slow it down. This is flash. Speed it up. Slow it down. And we have an auto key, which will run through all the different patterns and colors. Or you can just pick whatever single color you want. You can make it brighter, and you can dim it. "20 different colors you can select from just by pushing a button on your remote. Thank you for visiting SixStick.